Kala ko Koreano yan.
Akala mo lang. Asa na, ilabas yung lechon. Asa reheha. Head and shoulders. Cheers! Sarap. Welcome to the jungle. Nandito tayo ngayon sa episode 6. At ang episode natin ngayon will be all about Wolfex Food Venture. Kasama ko ngayon ang aking napaka-excited, hardworking, at napaka-cute na Kangkong King Team! Let's go, Wolfex!
Here at Wolfex at SMX Convention Center at ngayon is first day natin at medyo madami na yung tao, very crowded na rin dito. Sa second floor pala kami, booth 3030, and actually madami na nagtatanong about reseller package. So kung interested kayo mag-reseller sa amin, just visit us here. Meron kami ditong reseller package and sign up promo. Thank you!
Na-try nyo na sinigang, sir?
Yes. Actually, yes. Oo, yung in-order namin.
Ito po. Ganyan po siya sa loob. So, it's real leaves. Malalaki po.
Sinigang?
Yes, bestseller namin to. It's only 160 pesos per pack. Try nyo, sir. Sinigang. Sinigang flavor. 160 pesos po isa. Crispy kangkong. Hello, may pre-taste kami. Kangkong. Ito sinigang. Unique to, tsaka bago. Sinigang. Correct. Ito ma'am, try nyo. Best seller would be the salted egg and sinigang. Masarap, friend. Ito, sinigang.
Okay. Yan. Sinigang. Sige.
Yan. Sinigang na sinigang.
Yan ang maganda.
Thank you. Bigyan nyo ng freebie.
Hi, can you see me there? I'm here, and we're here at Wolfex. Let's see.
Magpapalit. Gagawing spicy.
Sure po, sige po. Sure. Thank you po. Bagong flavor po natin yan. And then this one is barbecue. We also have salted egg and then original. We also have freshly cooked po. Ayan, 50 pesos lang yung naka-crown cup. Plastic bag grade. We have, chiring! This is the freshly cooked in a bag. So, ang nasa loob nito ay ito.
Okay. Mag-ikot tayo para sa ating food venture dito sa Wolfex. Samahan niyo ako. Saan tayo magsisimula? Follow your heart. Favorite food ingredient. Ano to? Juice?
Yes po ma'am. Ito ma'am, winter melon milk tea, strawberry latte.
Wow! Strawberry latte?
Welcome to Wolfex! Achievers Food!
Ang sarap! I will rate this 5 out of 5. Winter melon siya.
Kala ko Koreano yan.
Sarap, akala mo lang. Pero, Pinoy lang tayo.
free sample,
Dahil dyan,
free sample.
bibigyan ko rin kayo ng free sample. Thank you!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, may na-spot ako. Ano to, kuya?
Silk tea, ma'am.
Chilled tea? Anong flavor to?
Citrus flavor and fiesta. Gulaman taste.
Fiesta! Fiesta yung pangalan nito. Fiesta nga. Asa na, ilabas yung lechon. Ilabas ang lechon! Sarap. 5 over 5. Lahat dito 5 over 5 as a foodie. Kaso wala pa, hindi ko pa ito nagagamit. Bibigyan ko kayo ng chips namin! Try nyo ng chips namin. Thank you! Andito tayo sa ating friends from Yan Yan. I love this snappy. Hot and spicy! Hindi ko pa ito na-try. Ito na naman tayo sa spicy challenge ha. Taking me back to episode 2.
And I keep my ticket in the brand very closely.
Saktong-sakto lang yung spicy niya. Salted egg!
Okay, pwede natin i-double coat. problem doon, may type of experience na kayo sa mga
5 over 5. Lahat dito 5 over 5 din. Favorite yan ng daddy ko. Best seller niyo yan. Bibigyan namin kayo ng chips namin. Thank you! Thank you guys! Ano to?
Ang Jim's Coffee, ma'am.
Ah, may coffee na kayo!
Pero ano ngayon kasi nakaka-mega na si Jim's. Hot and spicy po. And then, meron tayong spicy lemon. And this one po is Spanish style.
Spanish style. Anong favorite mo dito?
Siyempre, Spanish style.
Oh, sige. Yun yung itra-try ko. Ito. Sakto, di ako nag-lunch. Sarap. Delicioso. Nag-Spanish na ako. Asa rehe, ha? Rehe. Here. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you around. See you around tomorrow. 4 na araw pa tayong magsasawaan dito. These are my friends from Buenas. I will introduce you to one of the owners of Buenas. Mr.
Philip Young.
Okay, kapangalan niya pala daddy niya. Kamusta naman ang inyong Vofex Day 1?
Okay naman, so far. Masaya, maraming tao.
Ano pwede ko matry dito?
You can try yung creamy halo-halo natin and the gourmet bagoong, yung tomato and garlic.
Mahilig ako sa bagoong eh. So, let's go for the bagoong. See you later. Oh, di ba? Ito rin ang ating very beautiful owner, the sister of Mr. Philip, Miss Noreen.
Hello! Buenas day to everyone.
Ano ba meaning ng buenas?
Siyempre, buenas means lucky, di ba? So, buenas day, ibig sabihin, every day is a buenas day. So, every day, lucky day.
So, pag kumain ka ng halo-halo nila, susortahin ka. Sige, magta-try na tayo ng bagoong nyo. Thank you very much. So, meron silang 2 types of bagoong. Tomato bagoong and garlic bagoong.
This is alamang.
Okay, this is alamang
And
bagoong.
it's not your traditional bagoong because this is tomato based. So actually, it can be your natural food flavor enhancer. It's 50% less salinity than the sauteed bagoong.
So, it's more healthy and lucky.
Okay.
Ang sarap! Ang sarap! Thank you so much, Buenas!
Kangkong King the best.
Come on! Thank you, thank you, thank you. Excuse me. The struggle was real. Happy tayo to see people eating and enjoying food. Magta-try tayo ng free Nutella ngayon. I can see the Nutella chocolate color. Yeah, I can see it. Zoom in it. Zoom it in. Chocolate. Talagang they use Nutella in a lot of different ways. Pwede mo siya ilagay sa croissant, sa brownies, sa cupcakes, and sa cookies. Ako personally, sa tinapay ko lang siya usually nilalagay. Oh. Grabe. I get one. Tapos, itatapat ko. Yes. Whoa! Bibigyan namin kayo ng chips namin. Thank you very much. I hope you guys can try our product also. Thank you also. See you in the next few days. Bye-bye.
Basically, we're gonna do in the next hour.
We're here at Schroeder's.
Head and shoulders.
I did not see that coming.
Kangkong chips po. Ito po. Thank you guys. Thank you. Piccadilly. Where's the dessert? Ito yung free taste nila. This is the chocolate wafer. Yes po. Bam. Ang sarap. Oh, big talaga siya. Kita mo talaga yung layers ng chocolate. If piliin mo ako, mas gusto ko yung flavor ng chocolate ni Big Break. Thank you. Ano ko?
With chocolate siya sa loob. Ng chocolate.
Ang galing!
Bagong product po kasi.
Okay, ito yung top 1 ko. Babalikan kita. Bibigyan kita ng malaki. Wow! Wow! Ito pa sa inyo. Dagdagan ko pa later. Thank you very much! Wow. Dessert. Dito tayo sa ating neighbor. Lasang hindi tinipid is that sisig.
I know that big eyes.
10 over 5. 10 over 5. Pwede mo i-combine to, paulit-ulit, times 5. Rap, sarap, 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 sarap.
SB19 so. Rap, sarap, sarap.
Ay, panalo ka doon. Panalo si Ken doon, ha? Narinig niyo ba yun? Thank you! Thank you! Cheers! Bam! Ang sarap. Ate, may kanin po. From Kangkong King, thank you.
Hello!
Nag-ikot kami, sir. At namigay ng chips.
Yun yung maganda.
Ano ba yung juice ni Sir Tango?
Dessert drink po siya, made with real fruits and milk, signature milk po ni Mr. Tango.
Signature milk, and take note, it's called a dessert drink, okay? Anong bestseller flavor
Bili
nyo?
ka nga isa.
Best seller po,
Bibili ako later.
avocado, si mango, and melon.
Curious ako dito kay Cheesy Napa ko. Oo. Ang ganda ng cup nila. Love the Philippines.
Love the Philippines.
Totoo siya. Yung nakasulat dito na creamy, check. Dessert, check. And drink, check. Oo, kasi ininom ko, di ba? 350 ml, 99 pesos only. Bibili tayo mamaya. Try nyo rin yung product namin. Thank you! So, back to our jungle. Nandito na po tayo ulit sa ating kiosk. This is our, I think, fourth Wofex or third. Every time nag-enjoy ako and laging may mga new discoveries ng bagong food, may mga innovations, talagang mag-enjoy ka dito. You just have to be patient and konting sikip pero worth it yan, especially if foodie ka.
Dito po kami sa Wofex ngayon. Medyo nagkakagulo kami kasi mayroon pong bumili ng aming reseller package set A. Sour cream tatlo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mga kangkongers, it's day 2 here in the jungle sa ating Wofex food venture. Are you okay, Frankie? Yes, he's fine. Please visit Frankie and pwede libre magka-picture. Say bye! Excuse me, excuse me. Say hello to the vlog. Hello! Pupunta dito ang ating mga other partners. Welcome to the first floor. Asia Ban. Sige, no problem. Yes, I'm from Kangkong King. Hello! Say hello to the vlog! Hi! Tayo sa Asian Buns! Yay! Inaantay ko yung fries ko kasi freshly cooked yung mga fries nila dito. Marites, shoestring fries. O, bakit Marites?
Martes Fries is inspired by the person. Charing! And meron kaming ng price na buy one take one, Marites Fries and Super Fries for only 180 pesos. So dito lang yan sa Wofex hanggang Saturday. Meron kaming hash brown for only 180 pesos.
Like mo, Kangkong King.
Ayan.
Yan,
Thank you so much, Kangkong King, for visiting our booth. See you next year.
Thank you very much. This is the Super
Hash brown.
Fries hash brown.
It's freshly
Okay. Ito na lang.
Ito yung sauce, ang sarap. Bigyan na natin sila ng chips.
How was the taste?
It's perfect.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's perfect.
Sir, we're gonna give you a taco na
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kangkong King.
You're welcome,
Pwede na ako
guys.
endorser. Ay, thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you, guys.
Palakpakan natin si Kangkong King sa pagkain. Ay, Kangkong King.
Ang kulat, ang kulat. We're gonna try some drinks now. Ano pong difference? Low fat yung blue, full cream yung full cream tayo. Cheers! I love it, I love it. Meron po kayong chips from us para matry nyo rin po yung product namin. Thank you po! These are our friends from Fly Ace. They're super duper busy. Kailangan natin mag-scan para makuha ang free taste. Sige, okay. Oh, thank you very much. Bigyan natin sila ng chips para matry nyo yung product namin. Thank you! Sarap! Oh, may pa-cheese dito, Ken. Di ba kanina ka pa naghahanap ng cheese? Pa-try rin po kami, sir. Meron silang free dito. Pepper jack cheese. Interesting. Hi, sir. Bigyan lang namin kayo ng chips namin. We're from Kangkong King. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Sarap! We'll also give you our product. We'll share with you our product. Thank you. Let us like and follow High Tower. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ayan na! Ooh. inyo. Thank you. What's this? Ooh! Can we try?
This is strawberry flavor, ma'am.
Strawberry flavor.
Yeah.
This is from where?
Multi-M. This is our boot.
Multi-M. Oh, okay. Good food. Great service. Wow!
Alright.
Who you gonna call?
Juice Master.
Juice ko po. Cheers, Ken! This is perfect. Cool yun ah. Maraming salamat po. Bigyan natin si Kuya ng chips. Please try our chips from Kangkong King. This is for you naman po. Thank you. Okay. Arigato. Itadakimasu. Ang sarap. Tingnan mo naman ang Marcelo. Sobrang haba ng pila. Pero wala po si Ma'am Ems. Andito pala si the beautiful Ma'am Ems. Oh my God! My favorite! Nandito kami to visit Marcelo's and of course to try their ice cream. Is it ice cream or gelato?
It's an ice cream.
It's ice cream, okay. Nakakatuwa kasi they really innovate and focus on unique and Filipino flavors. So if you can see, meron silang latik-latik, inutak, ube makapuno.
It's the chocolate champorado.
Chocolate champorado. Wow!
So good. I love chocolate and champorado.
Wow! Ang sarap! Ice cream with fries tayo.
This is 100 over 10.
100 over 10. For you guys na lang, para matry nyo rin yung product. Thank you, thank you. Ito po ang aking friends.
Hey guys, we're here at the Thailand Embassy booth. Welcome to the booth. It's called Pasadena Agriventure. We're selling Golden Rabbit Jasmine rice, so try it out. It's gonna be one of the best rice in the market. So hello, and I'm with Miss Kangkong Queen, as you all know, the only sister of Kangkong King. I love the mic. It's a fork, plus you have the logo of Kangkong King here. Go feel the crunch. So our rice is available at Rustan's Marketplace.
In short, pag nagda-diet ka, hindi ito ang kanin para sa'yo. Kasi magtatatlong cups of rice ka. Dito lang yan sa Golden Rabbit brand. Oh, sa host mo, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your...
You feel the crunch.
Bye guys, thank you. It's day 3 here at Wofex and ang dami pa rin tao. It's Friday today. Tomorrow, we're expecting more people, okay? Ano bang meron? Nagkaroon na kami ng 3 new resellers just for the day. So we're very happy and congratulations ko yung buong Kangkong King team. It's now time for the After Crunch takeaways. Ang na-takeaway ko talaga dito sa episode na to, and of course with Wofex, it's how much we enjoy as a company and team and as owners to engage and personally talk with our clients, our buyers. Lagi kaming kinikilig pag may mga suki kami. Tapos, nakakatuwa lang talaga kasi for us, we really value that personal relationship we have with each and every one of our customers. Thank you very much, guys, for always supporting our brand, our company, and nakakakilig every time sinasabi nyo na bumili rin kayo last time and you're buying again. If umabot kayo dito, thank you for watching episode 6 of Kangkong King Inside, the Wofex Food Venture. Again, please continue to like, support, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok at Kangkong King PH. See you in our next Kangkong Venture. Medyo tumatalagid na po ang ating mic, so ganito na rin ba dapat?
Tiger!